Just got these two today, both at thrift stores. This Hoover steamvac and this Bissell Clean View. I've been trying to find one of these for a long time. This has all of its tools, unless it comes with a crevice tool. But I guess we'll start with this, and then I got a hold of it. I've not turned any of these on. We're going to see how they do. This thing's in actually really good shape. Well, the screen's clogged, so. Yep. Let me just do that right there. There, I bet you it runs like a new one now. If it runs at all. There was a big white sticker here. I took it off. I'm not sure what that was for. It looked like it was something from the factory. But let's check out these tools right here, because I ain't never seen this. I'm gonna have to look it up on manual and see how to use this thing. So that must be for like hard floor or something. It has this. So how's that? Oh, I see. So it'll go on there like that right there. This comes off. Okay, I see. I see. That's really neat. Oh. Well. That's a shame. That's cracked right there. Unless that's replaceable. Somebody comment and tell me if that's replaceable, because I have a million other one of these. Yeah, she's cracked pretty bad. As you can see right there. It's just that plastic piece, the clear thing. That's all it is. This has been used quite a bit. Clean water tank. Seal still there. Oh, it has the classic Hoover smell. That the classic Hoover solution has. Okay. It has the automatic thingy. Let's check out the dirty water tank, and then we'll look at all this junk on the back. Oh, I already see a problem. So these are, they're known for that. I believe that's replaceable though. Looks like it is. We will find out whenever I go to clean it. Okay, we're missing our filter, but that's okay, I have one. And it looks clean to me. So my best guess was that this wasn't hardly used much. It's probably not going to be used at all if I can't figure out how to put it back on. There we go. So that's a shame. But that's replaceable. And I'll rig something up if I have to. Because so that goes in there. Looks like this is all wrapped wrong. It has this. It is also heavily used. I'm gonna have to put a new thingy on it there. I have one somewheres. Let's unwrap all this mess. I believe how it goes is it's supposed to clip into that like that and go right there. Just like that there, I think. I would hope. Has this. Y'all also gonna have to tell me how to use that, because I don't know. There's that. If I'm right, it's from 2000. Either 2000 or 2000. I think 2003. That would be about right. I looked at it earlier and figured out 2006. I don't know where in the hell I got that at. Let's see if it runs at all. I give 30 bucks for both of these. I talked them down to 30 bucks. Let's see. Seems like everything works except for the brush. The brush is not spinning. Looks like my plug's fixing to come out of there. So everything except the brush works. So we'll have to figure that out. Yeah, that's the end of the video on this one. I can't do very long videos or they won't upload.